Good morning, guys. Everybody else is awake. Except for one. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Apparently I am interesting enough to be filmed.
Yeah. Last one up.
Am I?
Sharpie all over your face.
Yeah. It's kind of crappy looking. But I don't care. Swim time. It's gonna start to rain. Let's go swimming. Early morning dip. It is raining. You guys gotta go inside because I don't want you to get all wet. Sorry, but we're gonna maybe go for a swim. As long as it doesn't like thunder and lightning. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty short-lived. The rain was fine, but the thunder and lightning, not so much. Aw, I was having fun in the pool. But now, we're gonna go and see if we can find a life jacket for Arthur. Because we want him to be able to swim. And because me and Lydia are gonna go camping in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and we want to bring Arthur and we want him to be able to swim. Right?
Right. I don't know. Swimming Arthur?
Swimming Arthur. Life jacket.
I don't know if they'd be in that place, but if they're not there, I'm sure they'll know where.
They'll know where to get them. Do they exist?
Yeah, well, I've seen, like...
Maybe you have to specifically get them on the internet or something.
Orders.
Well, we can always just check. We'll see.
Because I've seen, you've seen that picture of the corgi jumping off the deck with the life jacket on.
Yeah. Well.
There's life jackets. I've seen other dogs with life jackets. They have dog seat belts. They better have dog life jackets.
Yeah. We'll check. Kitty cat. Oh, this one likes you, Rachel. Is that a normal cat noise? I think you have to buy this cat, Rachel. Or maybe it doesn't like you. And this one's all asleep. Arthur, did you get a treat from the store? Did the lady give you a treat?
He sat for her and then he grabbed the treat man.
Yep.
Because he's skittish.
And he's like, I don't know if I want to eat this. And then you're like, it's okay. And he's like, okay. So we couldn't find a life jacket for him, but the place said that they were going to get some in on Thursday. So we'll probably get one then.
But I want to go out to the pet values. Oh my god.
You want to go check another one? Do you want to?
Not if people don't want to.
Maybe Rachel will find another cat that she can pet. You guys want to go on an adventure?
Yeah! Adventure! Lady Pink! It's a pink lady. Pink lady.
Pink lady, come back.
Pink lady!
Advanced screen!
Woo!
We are lame.
We're cool. They had those jackets. They had pink lady jackets and T-bird jackets. They were so silly at PetSmart.
I'd never dress up.
I would not put that in you, Arthur. In you, Arthur. You get what you want. You don't need clothes like that.
Life jacket, yes.
Yes.
Clothing, no.
You need a life jacket. We're so close, Arthur.
New hard drive. because this one is full. Yeah, well, it has like 10 gigs left, which is 2 days. We save all of our like raw footage, at least for now, and also all of our like completed edited videos, which, you know, to start with, it was like, yeah, okay, that's not that big of a deal, but after, you know, 160 something days, that's quite a bit. Because what would you say we have an average of? I'd say an average of 6 gigs of footage a day, and then the video itself is maybe 400 meg. But you know, that adds up. That adds up quick. So I got a new hard drive for actually pretty cheap. I mean, it has to be plugged into the wall, but it was 150 bucks, 3 terabytes, but it has to be plugged in. This right here, I could have gotten another one of these. This is only 1 terabyte. And it doesn't have to be plugged in, but it's 1 terabyte, and it would have cost me 120. So, you know what? Pay the extra $40 for 3 times the space. What you guys looking at?
Tumblr, John Green's Tumblr.
Nerds. As I'm talking about hard drives and transferring files. Arthur wants to look at Tumblr and smell Jess's armpit and climb over everything because he's a kitty. Yep, instead of jumping up here to get to Rachel,
John Green is so cute.
jumps up there and crawls across.
John Green, if you're watching this, you're cute.
Arthur, are you looking at Tumblr?
Yeah, Arthur Tumbles. Arthur's the most famous Tumblr ever.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Click, click.
Lay's making me eat the leftover pickles.
What's she about to do,
I
Sean?
did not make you eat those pickles.
Right, you did tell me to throw them out. Well, that should be fair, yeah. You told me to throw them out, but there was a lot, and I don't want to waste them.
And you had to finish the peanut butter.
Why do I have to finish them?
Because it's almost done.
That's a lot of peanut butter. I don't want. Okay.
Oh my god.
You don't have to.
Okay, just do it.
Oh, I hope this is a thumbnail.
I don't feel very good.
Isn't peanut butter delicious? Lay on the floor and open your mouth and Arthur will eat it for you.
Oh.
Arthur! Arthur wants peanut butter? Arthur wants peanut butter. Does Sean want peanut butter? I love you, Sean. Spit it out if you don't want to eat it.
I can't peanut butter. You can't spit peanut butter out.
Yes, you can.
I look like poop. Oh, nothing about poop.
It's squeaking. It's so gross.
There's cardboard. Jessica hates cardboard.
Not all cardboard.
Just that kind of
The rough
cardboard?
kind. Just the the trays for drinks.
Lydia, you being mean to Jess.
Yes, she's a bully. Oh, it's squeaking. It's like a horror movie. Like all the people in love are having my worst nightmares in their mouths.
Hey Jess, why are you leaving?
It's gone now.
We scared her away with cardboard. Making brownies. Basically, because I watched this video, bam, right here, of these other vloggers that I watch. And at the end of the video, he makes brownies. And I just wanted some so bad. So I searched my house, and yep, we had brownie mix. Now I'm making them. Alright, kitchen has been cleaned. And brownies are made. Oh, baby. Alright, it's just about time for bed. Me and Lydia are sleeping in this wind tunnel of a room. 1 fan, 2 fan, ceiling fan. We're kind of bad, but it's so hot. It's so hot. And then we got Arthur has his own mattress, and he looks so cute. Oh,
And this is so we have more room.
exactly. So that I'm not uncomfortable in bed. Because usually when I sleep in Lydia's bed, which is so tiny, I'm like right on the edge and like teetering.
Look at so much space.
So much space. Anyways, going to go to bed. And it's not even very late. It's like 10.
Well,
We're
I'm
just-
trying to get up early tomorrow.
Yeah, you want to stay with a good sleep schedule
and
for work.
you're
And I got like, over the past 2 days, I've gotten like 7 hours of sleep. So, yeah. Say goodnight. Good night.